Hello everybody, I'm Kristi. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a week's worth of school lunches for you guys. All these lunches are Halloween themed lunches and they're for my 9-year-old Briley. We do dress up every year for Halloween and visit family's house, so we take Halloween pretty serious and I thought she would enjoy having some cute Halloween lunches to take to school. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you went ahead and done so. Make sure you comment below and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. Okay, for Monday, I am doing a monster sandwich. I cannot take credit for the majority of these ideas. Everything was found on Pinterest. Thank goodness for Pinterest. This is just a turkey and cheese sandwich that I've cut out and gave it 2 eyeballs, which are olives. I did put down a Halloween napkin that I picked up at Dollar Tree. For her drink, she has a juicy juice. I just wrapped this in construction paper and taped it and gave it 2 googly eyes. They have these cute little baggies at Dollar Tree and they have them in several different designs. I just picked this one up and filled it with goldfish crackers. Also gave her 2 Trolley gummies, a little rat and a bat. I did fix her a little fruit kebab with grapes and pineapples and I put in some little rings. I also picked those up at Dollar Tree. It was a bag with skulls and bats and spiders in it. And then I also gave her some pumpkin spice yogurt covered pretzels. And here's what she ate. She did drink all of her juice. She ate every bit of her sandwich. She does hate olives, so I knew that she wouldn't eat those. The pretzels weren't a hit. She said she was not fond of the pumpkin spice taste. She only ate a few goldfish and said she was saving the rest for later. I think I've mentioned this on several occasions. I do pack the majority of lunches in the mornings. So this morning I made Briley a cheese quesadilla on tortilla shells. I just have it cooling on this plate and then before she leaves I'll roll it up and wrap it in aluminum foil and then she can just unroll it and eat it at lunchtime. I also made her some chocolate pudding. I crumbled up some Oreo cookies so it looks like dirt and I put her some gummies on here. This one is the Trolleys sour gummies. I put a bat, a rat, and a black cat. I also cut her up some cucumbers and added some grapes. Okay, she ate almost everything. She only left a bite of her quesadilla and she left a couple of bites of the pudding, but of course she ate all the cookie crumbles and the gummies. And she said she loved this lunch. For Wednesday, I'm using another Pinterest idea. The star of today's lunch is going to be a peanut butter and jelly spider. Again, I just put him on a napkin that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I used one that looked like leaves and trees, so it looks like the spider is, crawling around. The legs are made of pretzels, and his 2 little red eyes are just M&Ms. This is the spider pack that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And those are just packs of rings. I did hard boil an egg and I cut out an eyes and nose in the shape of a ghost. I added some grapes and I also made some jack-o'-lantern cookies. These were just the cut and bake cookies and I picked those up at Aldi and I put one in there. And she's just also going to take a small bottle of water in today's lunch. She loved this lunch and ate every bite. Somehow she came home, you can see she had had a cucumber at some point, and 2 pieces of candy. And she threw her garbage away. I'm not sure where this extra food came from. I think they all share once they get to school. So she done really good on today's lunch. For Thursday's lunch, I think I'm going pretty simple here. I just made a peanut butter sandwich, no jelly, and I had some cookie cutters, and this one is in the shape of a cat. I also just added some grapes on the skewer. I'm trying to get rid of those before we leave the house. I hard-boiled an egg and tried to make it look like an eyeball. Pinterest, I swear, they make it look easier than it really is. I added a frozen Go-Gurt and also a cheese stick, and I drew a little face on it so it looks like a ghost, and then a bag of booger gummies that I picked up at Dollar Tree. She done really well with her lunch today, and she said those gummies were actually delicious. She didn't eat her yogurt. It was right beside the ice pack, and it still was cold, so I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the fridge. And I think I found out where all my little hair clippies go. Apparently, they go into the bottom of her lunch box. So for Friday's lunch, I'm going pretty simple again. I just made her a turkey and provolone cheese wrap. These are just the flatbreads, and they fold over on top of themselves. So I just cut out a little face in the shape of a jack-o'-lantern. I also fixed her a cutie and drew a jack-o'-lantern face on it. Added 2 bags of these gummy boogers because she loved them so much, and also some grapes, and I added a little pick in there for her to pick those up with. She's done really well all week long with her lunches. She ate every bite of this. She done great. I'm really proud of her, and she was tickled to death with the themed lunches. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my Halloween edition of School Lunches for Riley. Remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to stick around, I'm going to insert some footage of my pets at the end. I hope everyone has an amazing week, and I will see you next time. Bye! I got up in the middle of the night. I swear it was about 2 o'clock in the morning, and this is what I found on the couch. They were looking at me like, oh no, she caught us. I got it. What are you doing? What are you doing? You pretty boy. Huh? Are you pretty boy? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Quincy. Quincy, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. He's your mommy's favorite little boy. Come here.